old Mrs. Bachelor had troubles of her own. She had a yellow cat who wouldn't leave her home. She tried and she tried to give that cat away. She gave her to a woman going far, far away.
The cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. Your father was gone, but the cat came back. Your best friend stay away.
Now old Mrs. Bachelor tried to trap the cat one night. She set a cage and placed a fish to tempt it with a bite. She waited and she waited, thought she'd finally won the fight. But the cage was sprung and empty in the early morning light.
The cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. Your father wasn't hard, but the cat came back. Your best friend stay away.
So she flushed it down the toilet with the mighty swirl and spin, hoping that the pipes would keep that cat from coming in. They checked the drains and sewers, but no one had a clue, till Ploprin showed up wet in the living room.
The cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. Your father wasn't hard, but the cat came back. You just couldn't stay away.
Now they lined the floor with cucumbers and hid them all around, hoping that the sight of them would send her out of town. She jumped and hissed and bolted, but only for a day, 'cause by the next night she was back and there to stay.
The cat came back the very next day.